An asset inspection is not complete when the checklist is submitted. It is complete when the condition gap is understood, assigned, corrected, and reviewed. Because the real risk is not always one defect. The bigger risk is the same defect appearing again and again, without anyone seeing the pattern clearly. A damaged guard, a leaking valve, a loose cable, a worn-out hose, a blocked access point near equipment, a recurring abnormal sound that keeps getting noted but never fully resolved. These observations may look small when seen one by one, but when they repeat, they start telling a bigger story about asset condition, maintenance quality, and operational risk. Let us look at how this workflow can be structured inside OQSHA. The process starts with the asset or inspection plan. The team can schedule inspections for specific assets, areas, equipment groups, or inspection categories. This helps move the activity from informal checking to a planned inspection rhythm. But if a defect is observed, the finding should be captured clearly. The inspector can add remarks, attach photographs, and describe the condition. This is important because the maintenance or safety team may not be standing at the asset when the observation is reviewed. Next, the finding can be categorized. For example, it may be tagged as a guarding issue, leakage issue, electrical issue, access issue, structural issue, or maintenance-related defect. Severity can then be assigned based on the level of risk. A low-risk observation may need planned correction. A high-risk condition may need immediate action, isolation, or escalation. After this, the finding should move into action assignment. The action can be assigned to the right owner, such as maintenance, area operations, electrical team, utility team, or the responsible department. That is how asset inspections become more than routine checks. They become a system for reducing repeat risk.
DM us for a workflow walkthrough.